15th main. In that 34th question, draw a neat diagram of cross-section view of the human heart. For this I have made one video how to draw the heart diagram. In that I have showed how to draw the heart diagram in the easiest way. So just you see that video, practice this heart diagram because it's a very important. Next 35th question, name the parts of brain that perform the following functions. A. Control of hearing, smell, vision. These are all controlled by the brain part, that is forebrain. B. Blood pressure, thirsty, vomiting. These are all activities controlled by the brain, that part is medulla in the hindbrain. C. Body balance, precision grip, bicycle movement. These activities are controlled by cerebellum, which is in hindbrain. Next 36th question, what is the percentage at which the sex of child born can be determined whether it is male or female? Justify your answer. 36th answer, the statistical probability of having a male or female child is 50% each. This is because the ratio of X and Y chromosomes in sperm is 50:50. Sex determination in human beings, parent, father, mother. Father carries X and Y chromosome, mother carries XX chromosome. When the sperm carries X chromosome is fuses with the egg of mother which carries the X chromosome, the newborn baby will be female because which carries the XX chromosome. When the sperm of father carries the Y chromosome, that fuses with the egg which carries the X chromosome, that give a male child because the chromosome will be XY. Here you can see the 50% probability of female child and 50% probability of the male child. Justify this answer. The sex of a baby is determined by the type of sex chromosome that the sperm contributes. Sperm will be contributes. The father is responsible for this. If a Y-bearing sperm fertilizes an egg, the resulting zygote will be XY. The newborn baby will be male. If a X-bearing sperm fertilizes an egg, the resulting zygote will be XX. The newborn baby will be female, girl child. Next 37th question. Name the responses of plants shown through their movement to the following stimuli. In that, A. The root of the coconut tree grown in the house premises grows towards the water. Some. B. Tie the grains to be germinated in cloth and cover them with vessels. The exact answer for this is when a responding stimuli through the movement, the plants exhibit responses called tropism, with the specific type of tropism named based on the stimulus. Phototropism, movement towards light. Geotropism, movement in response to gravity. Hydrotropism, movement towards water. Thigmotropism, movement in response to touch. Chemotropism, movement towards chemicals. In that, A answer, if a coconut tree is growing in your house premises, its roots are growing towards water tank. This is the natural phenomena called hydrotropism. B answer, Cloth wrapped grains are placed inside containers like bowl, plate or vessels and covered with a lid or plate to maintain a humid environment, where the goal is to initiate the growth of a new plant from the seed by providing the right conditions for the germination. The main intention is to grow the new plants. Next question, option is given. Observe this picture. Name the hormones secreted by the glands in the indicated parts. Part A, B, C, D. Part A is a pituitary gland which secretes the growth hormone. Part B is the adrenal gland which secretes the adrenaline. Part C is the pancreas which secretes the insulin. Part D is testis which secretes the testosterone hormone. Next main, answer the following questions in 4 sentences. In that 38th, give reason. The scrotum is located outside the body. B. What information can be created among public by installing a signboard banning feticide in the hospital? C. How is the surgical procedure of the ovary and spermatozoa is different from the use of condoms and vagina bags? Answer is, the scrotum is located outside the body because it needs to maintain a slightly lower temperature than the rest of the body, which is crucial for optimal sperm production. The testicles inside the scrotum requires a cooler environment to function properly. Next, B answer. Installing a signboard banning feticide in hospitals can raise awareness about ethical implications of gender selection and promote the value of all lives and also a healthy society. The female-male sex ratio must be maintained. Next, C answer. The surgical procedure for ovary and spermatozoa retrieval is invasive and involves medical intervention, whereas condoms and vaginal bags are non-invasive contraceptive methods, and these two are mechanical barrier so that sperm does not reach the egg. Next question, option is given or 38th question. In that A, placental tissue plays an important role in fetal development. Justify this statement with 2 reasons. B, state the methods of contraception that men and women can follow. For this, the exact answer is A answer. Placental tissues plays an important role in fetal development. Here that is asked 2 reasons. The one reason is by providing nutrients and oxygen to the fetus. Second reason, removing waste products of developing embryo into the mother's blood through the placenta. B answer. Methods of contraception include hormonal pills. These are acts by changing the hormonal balance of the body so that eggs are not released and fertilization cannot occur. And other contraceptive devices such as loop or the copper T are placed inside uterus to prevent the pregnancy, and condoms for men. Thank you.